For this property, we were proud to outfit the entire exterior with our custom metalwork, from the front balconies to the perimeter fence, each element designed and fabricated right here in Toronto, Canada. Starting at the front facade, we manufactured and installed geometric, oval-style metal railings on front steps and a second-floor balcony. The clean lines and curved patterns bring a balanced, modern classic look that instantly elevates the home's curb appeal. Moving to the rear of the property, we added 2 balconies featuring our signature Toronto-style railings with flat post caps, a timeless choice that complements both heritage and contemporary architecture. These railings provide durability, safety, and a uniform aesthetic that ties the entire structure together. Finally, we completed the project with a perimeter fence in Berlin style, enhanced with diamond tops and modified Vienna-style gate to fully secure the property. This combination offers both privacy and an unmistakable European elegance, strong, refined, and built to last. Every weld, every line, and every finish is crafted to perfection. Because at Art Metal Workshop, we believe metalwork is not just structure, it's art in architecture.